BHRT is bioidentical hormone therapy. The Mayo Clinic says it actually functions identically where your body makes that structure. So bioidentical is molecule for molecule, atom for atom, it's the same exact structure. Who's a good candidate for BHRT? I don't want to say everybody, but it is. The question is, what are optimal levels? The number one complaint we get, I don't care if they're 18 or 95, I'm tired of being tired. Number two is brain fog and focus. So the candidate should be evaluated no matter what their age is based upon their symptoms. Their body is the best guide of what they're lacking. How would a male understand if they're lacking low T? There are several functions of testosterone in our body. Each function may have a different symptom for the individual. Number one is I'm tired of being tired. Number two is brain fog, words, associations. So how do the people know they have low testosterone? It's in their daily life of function, they don't feel it as they used to be. How can people tell if they have hormonal changes? First off, what is a hormone? Hormone means initiate a process. So if your normal daily process in your life seems to be not as efficient, that might be a hormone problem. And different symptoms will lead us to different pathways to look into your body. That's why it's very important to understand what an optimal range is. We want to see optimal physiological change, optimal physiological function, optimal brain function. We want to see an optimal you. Adrenal fatigue is, we hear it classically as what's called flight or fight. Well, what does that mean, Greg? When we have certain functions in our body that are becoming stressed, the adrenal gland will work and adapt and do what it needs to do. But what if it has overstress? That's a problem. So what we want to do is actually have other hormone systems in our body, our sex hormones, our thyroid, our insulin, that could help the adrenal actually reheal itself. We hear about thyroid and that how the thyroid works, but people don't understand what thyroid actually does. To make thyroid really simple, it takes the oxygen we breathe into energy. Without it, we're not alive. The procedure itself is painless. When I mean painless, it's like once you get numb with the lidocaine, the area is numb. You may feel a little pressure, but it is a painless procedure. It takes the whole procedure, you're laying down probably 3 to 5 minutes. The optimal bio-wellness approach does not complement BHRT. It is BHRT. It's who we are. We look at the whole body from head to toe, how the body physiologically works, so therefore you know how the hormones, the chemistry is working, then that leads to function. It's very important to put them all together. Every individual has their story. Their story will lead to our journey.